Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and if you see this box in the store or if you just unwrapped this for Christmas, stop, do not open it, because Amazon just pulled a fast one on us. They released a new stick called the Firestick 4K Select, and it looks identical to the old ones. However, there's a massive difference that turns this one into a paperweight. Now, why does it do that? Well, because with this new 4K Select stick, it runs an operating system called Vega OS. And why does that matter? Because Vega OS blocks all sideloading. That means no downloader app, no custom launchers, and definitely no extra media apps. However, with the 4K Max, you can do everything that you want to do on a Fire Stick. And with these, you basically are locked inside of Amazon's jail forever. Now, to check to see which one you actually have, or if you're on that operating system, it's easy to check. You just go to your settings, go to My Fire TV, and then right here, hit About, and then on the right side of the screen, it should actually show your software version. Now for me, this is my 4K Max. I'm on Fire OS 8.1.5. Now if you're on any other Fire OSs, you're good. However, if right here it says Vega OS or maybe even Fire OS 1.1, then yeah, you're in trouble, because if you go to the App Store and try to look for the downloader app, it won't be there because it will now be gone and you will no longer be able to get it. And if you want to understand what I mean, it's this app right here. It's an orange app called Downloader. And with this app, this is actually the app that we would use to install the tools we need to fix buffering or even manage our own media and download, or sideload apps. So you actually wouldn't even be able to download this with the Vega OS operating system. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. So here's my verdict for 2026. If you want a streaming stick that you actually own, spend the extra $10 and get the 4K Max. Or honestly, just keep your old one, because the old ones are better than locked. So now if you already bought the wrong stick, don't panic yet, because I am testing a new cloud method that might work on the Vega OS without installing anything. But subscribe right now and hit that bell so you don't miss that video when it comes out. But other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.